In the September 2025 update of Draftable Legal, we've included support for you to switch the application's display language to one of 10 options. Let's walk through how to do this. What you're seeing now is the new comparison window. By default, the display language is set to English. But let's say we want to change it. All we need to do is click on the Settings menu, represented by the cog icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once opened, the first settings screen is the General Settings tab, and right at the top is the new language settings. Currently, it's set to English. But for this demonstration, let's switch it to French. As soon as we select French, you'll notice that the settings are immediately translated, and if we navigate back to the new comparison window, you'll see that all of the options are now shown in French as well. Let's run a comparison. The comparison progress screen is also translated, and in the viewer, the language has been set to French. If you want to change the language in the viewer, you have the option to do this using a ribbon menu button here.